Post-game press conference, congratulations to the Eddie Bulldogs for beating the Ateneo Eagles in overtime, 71-56. The Bulldogs topped up the first round in the 1-0. Coach Jeff Napa, Paul Francisco, and Jake Figueroa. Coach, congratulations for this hard-earned win. Your team topped the first round with a 6-round record, so ano masasabi mo na ito bago nyo makuha yung number 1 ranking sa first round, dumaan kayo sa butas ng kalayo para talunin nyo yung Academy?
Number 1, good win for us, pero wala naman kami pakialam kung nasan man kami ngayon. Ang importante kasi sa amin, how we perform every game talaga. Hindi namin iniisip kung ano man yung ang importante yung growth ng mga players talaga. As long we compete, day in, day out, every game, yun nga, it will favor for us. So, hindi na namin iniisip kung ano man ang posisyon namin ngayon. Especially, yung second round, nandyan lang sa tabi-tabi na yan. So, we need to refuel again because maybe next week, start na ulit ang second round. So, kailangan namin ulit ng recover, ng talagang fully recover para mapagandaan talaga namin yung second round. This game, hats off sa mga players talaga. It really matters yung compose despite na Ateneo really wanted to come back. Still, the compose of the players, their decision on the end game, tumama kumbaga. Hindi na ako yun eh. Sila na yung nag-execute nun, sila na yung nag-decide nun. I'm happy for them kasi meron sila ngayon decision ng mga ganon. At least yung growth lumalabas na ngayon sa kanila. So, magbe-benefit kami as a group. Talaga na makikita namin coming to our second round na yun yung paghahandaan pa namin. At least itong mga game na ganito na very important for us, matututo kami rito kung ano pa yung kailangan namin gawin talaga.
Paul, you have 13 points including 4 triples. So, you made 2 triples in overtime that turned the game around. So, what can you say about this kind of case that will help you in the long run as we head to the second round?
It's good for us because we have some momentum coming into the second round, so that's always good to look at. Yeah. And sorry, can you repeat the question again?
You did 2 triples more.
Oh yeah. Yeah. My coaches and my teammates just keep telling me to shoot the ball. Like I kind of was struggling throughout the course of the game. And I just credit my teammates and my coaches just believing in me to keep shooting it, and yeah, it paid off in the end in overtime.
Thank you. Jake, you had 30 points, 10 rebounds, 8 assists, 2 steals, and 2 blocks. So yung growth ng team ang focus nyo, you don't mind the standing. So ano yung kailangan nyo gawin, especially second round? Ngayon yung mata ng mga rest of the league nasa inyo na.
Wala naman, kumbaga, yun nga, walang easy win sa second round. So, yun nga, kailangan namin mag-adjust sa lahat. So, yun, halos lahat naman willing to step up naman. So, yun nga, thankful kami dahil kahit na struggle ako ngayong game, yun nga, andun pa rin yung tiwala ni Coach sa akin. No? Kung hindi ako makapuntos, nagagawa ko naman yung mga little things na gusto niya.
Okay, the floor is open for
Coach, sabi mo wala kang pakialam sa standing nyo ngayon, but hindi naman natin matatanong kayo 6-1 being at the top. Kaya sabi mo from the onset of the season, the expectations kayo, hindi nyo natupad last year. Yung pinakita nyo ng first round, ito ba yung expectation mo last year na team mo carry over nyo this year?
Hindi ko masasagot yan kasi iba yung expectation ko from last year talaga. So, every year, may standards akong sinusunod talaga. So, last year, tapos na yun, ayoko nang tingnan ulit yun. Ngayon, alam nila, medyo yung standards approach, especially on practice, Alam nila kung gaano kataas yung dinidemand ko talaga. Pero at least happy ako sa kanila na now they understand kung ano yung value ng standard talaga sa amin. Para at least, yun nga, makapag-compete kami talaga.
Paul, you were only held 3 points in regulation. You missed the potential game winner in the fourth quarter. But how did you keep yourself composed heading into overtime to score all of NU's points in the overtime period?
I just like bring it to my faith, you know. I just asked God to keep me composed. Although I was struggling throughout the game, I only had 3 points until the overtime. So I just, you know, trusted in the Lord that to do the right things, and it worked out in my favor. And I just thank the coaches and my teammates for trusting in me.
Mas nuts kasi yung cellphone.
Oh
Kaya
yeah.
kailangan niya mag-focus.
Nagising na totoo.
Puro distraction yung cellphone niya, kaya inisnat sa kanya.
Oh nga po. I know I faced some adversity this week, you know, just like really questioning things, and just really showed me to trust in the Lord, and He has a plan for us and He has a plan for me.
Kaya kung may iPhone 15 dito, pwede na kayo mag-donate sa kanya. Kaya tinitingnan namin, baka may iPhone 15 kayo dyan.
That sounds nice too.
Sayang.
Coach, you talked about composure kanina. Ano na lang masasabi mo sa composure na pinakita ni Paul noong overtime?
Yun lang. Nung sa practice nga namin, sinabi ko naman, everything happened for a reason talaga. Kumbaga, gaya nun, hindi lang siya. Kumbaga, the whole team. Sabi ko, kinatok kayo. Kasi nga, hindi pwede yung magre-relax kumbaga. Kaya parang sa basketball, hindi kami pwede mag-take it lightly sa approach talaga. So, good example yung nangyari sa kanya. Blessing this guys na rin. At least nakapag-isip ako na tama nga, wake up call sa amin yon na hindi kami pwede mag-relax sa group. Especially coming to second round. We need ayusin pa namin, magandahan pa namin yung approach namin coming to our second round para talagang yung effort, yung standards ang gusto namin, makuha namin talaga.
Okay, so, kasi di ba 18 points yung naman yung first half, tapos nga, makakula natin na yun, hindi nga nag-overtime. So, ito yung and then yung bibigay nyo na, yung laki ng hindi pwede tumutulan. So, ito ba yung mga dadalhin yung lessons for the second round? Especially, syempre, pabigat nilaban yung mga lows. Ito mga game ng Ateneo, tsaka yung only loss nyo sa first round.
Ano naman eh, we know naman kung ano yung kakayanan ng Ateneo. So, hindi kumbaga, hindi namin pwedeng i-take for granted talaga. Alam namin makakabalik sila, nakaka-stop sila, they may cut stops. Although, nakukuha naman yung gusto namin tira. So happen lang, nagkaroon sila ng momentum nung coming to parang third quarter something. Pero ang importante doon, how the players will recover doon sa adversities na yan eh. Despite na ganun nga, nakabalik yung Ateneo, yung composure, yung focus to shift yung momentum nandun eh. So, hindi ko na para sabihan kung anong X and O so whatsoever. May tinatawag lang ako para at least maging gamay ulit sila. So, sila pa rin yan. So, I'm happy for them, for their decision inside the court. Hopefully, yun nga, coming to second round, mas taasan pa namin talaga yung approach namin.
Coach, update lang on Reinhardt. Update on Reinhardt.
Ha?
Reinhardt, update.
Update on Reinhardt. May parang yung shoulder niya eh. Hindi niya raw i-assess muna namin yung MRI. So hopefully there's nothing serious. Sana naman. Kasi kanina nga, yun yung medyo malaking factor. Pero buti na lang, step up and table step up. Especially nung medyo kinakapos na siya sa papagod din eh. So table step up. So really make good decision nung overtime, coming to court. So, it's total collective effort. So, hopefully, Reinhardt will available na second round para at least talagang kompleto kami. Gaya nun, si PJ din, medyo medyo naging off eh. So, it's a matter of coach's decision talaga. Pero I'm pretty sure naman everybody ready to coming to our second round.
Continuous coach, Jeff.
Thank you.
Hey, and